This is a workout, walking, maybe running style vest where you add weights, you can take away weights, and you can increase like the intensity of your workout. Now I have the 35-pound version here. It comes in two versions. There's a 45 and 35. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of go over the box real quick. Basically, all the box says is gives you the weight. So includes the counterweight blocks, which give you 2.1 pound, 10 of them, and 1.8 pounds, 6 of them. You know what? And one weighted vest. So there's the box. Now let's move on to the vest. And this thing is a beast, everybody. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually weigh these blocks. Here's the different styles of blocks that came in mine. Right here's the two blocks. Well, let me just tell you something. These are silicone type. This is not sand. Look at how it flexes and articulates to your movement. I really like this vest a lot because of the fact that it's like this silicone gel with this coating on it. It's got this skin-friendly coating on it. Let's look at the vest itself. Open it up. You can see the inside right here. It's very nicely stitched along the inside. The outer layers have a reflective strip that is removable because if we're working out indoors or like doing CrossFit or something, you wouldn't need these reflective strips, so you can remove those. It's got padded shoulders. You're going to open this flap up right here and just pull it out like this. They do seem to put a little grip tape right there to maybe keep them from flopping around. Now let me weigh one of these things. Looks like we're at 2.12 pounds on that one. Close enough to 2.10. 2.12. Now these slanted ones, you see how they're sloped like that? These are 2.9. So it seems to balance out to be about the weight that they claim. And then you can see how these slanted ones, see how there's slanted pockets right there? It goes in there just like that. The adjustment on the sides, there's side adjustment right here. The zipper in the front was very easy to use. I put this thing on. It was easy to zip up, easy to tighten down on the side straps. I went for a walk. I went for a little bit of a jog, but I don't jog much, but when you start jogging with this thing on, you're definitely feeling it. Yeah, everybody, I see no issues with this vest at all. I think this is a very premium product for what it is. I think you definitely get your money's worth out of this. I recommend the ONETWOFIT vest for anyone that's just doing any type of walking, running, or any type of activity where they want to intensify their workout. Get a little better workout with a weighted vest on. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 35-pound ONETWOFIT weighted vest. See y'all in the next video.